So this is a review of this Vevor Jungle Gym Dome playground equipment. I received this in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. So it comes in a box about this size. Opening it up, comes with some gloves and some hardware to put it together. Actually 2 packages of that. Some canvas material, a swing board and rope, some instructions, so that'll definitely be important. And then of course all the bars that'll compose the actual jungle gym. And there are several of those. Some are yellow, some are like a light blue, and also these black things that'll connect them all together. So it really was not too difficult to put together. It took 2 adults, 2 teenagers, and a child about 1 hour to put it together. It wasn't hard at all. It just took that time to find the right pieces and find out where they go, then tighten it all up. Definitely not difficult at all. I would say it's definitely helpful to have a few extra hands though. Sometimes getting the right pieces where they need to go and holding them in the right position while you screwed it together, that would definitely be difficult with just one person. But with a few extra hands, not difficult, and only took about an hour. Done. Voila. Looks great. And this is the final result. I really like it. It's plenty sturdy. We've already had some kids and even adults playing on it, and they all loved it. The visible part of each of these yellow bars measures about 30 inches, and the blue bars measure about 34 inches. And the diameter of the whole thing is just about 10 feet. These black things are actually handle grips. They help you to climb around on it a little bit and also step on it. Do be careful when you put this together as well. Some of these blue bars initially had like a silver band around them. They are not interchangeable from the other ones. I think that they're just slightly heavier bars, so they add some structural integrity to the top of the whole thing. Altogether, it should support about 750 pounds. You might want to get some stakes and make sure it's staked to the ground as well. That way, if everybody's on one side, they don't tip the whole thing over. It is definitely movable if you have 2 people kind of pulling it to the side. But yeah, this thing's gonna be a lot of fun. It's not lightweight, it's heavy duty, and not too hard to put together. We definitely recommend it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make